We are back in the closet for today. What we're going to work on is we're going to be working on the floor of the closet. And then if you still have time, then we're going to work on the clothes in the closet. I'm not sure how much I'm going to get done. I got quite a bit done yesterday, but I have a lot of small things I need to pick up. Let's go ahead. I got a clothes basket behind me. I already have a trash bag behind me. And I think it's time that we just get started. Let's go ahead, eat that frog. All right, so we are here. All right, so I am here. I am working on the closet, and I am going to, if you notice, I'm kind of going around the closet in a clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. I didn't think about it. Actually, I think I'm going counterclockwise. Anyway, I'm going around the room, and that's how I systematically do stuff. So that's what we're going to work on now. I'm going to go ahead and set my watch for 15 minutes. Ready? Let's go. So when I said eat that frog, I like to read. I love reading, and I like reading about productivity, especially when I was um, working as a manager at a call center. I would read tons of leadership books, tons and tons. And one of them was called Eat That Frog. So it sounds really disgusting, doesn't it? Especially if you don't like frogs. My mother hates frogs. She hates frogs. So what does Eat That Frog mean? So basically, if you eat a frog first thing in the morning, that's probably going to be the worst thing that you're going to do for the rest of the day. So if you take that concept and you bring it towards anything like maybe that's cleaning up the closet, right? The worst thing for me is actually this floor. If you couldn't tell, I've been avoiding doing this because I really think that uh, this started all this stuff the first time that we were gone. So that was like 2 years ago, and I'm just now finally getting to it. So I'm doing the worst part of this whole process right now. Now, one of the things I probably could have done if I was truly going to eat that frog um, is I probably should be working on the office, my husband's office. But nope, we're going to go based upon the zones. So that's why we are eating that frog. We are doing all the things that we need to do that we haven't done in a while. Once this week is done, I think I'm going to feel so much more at peace. I really think so. Let me tell you about the bed. So a few days ago, as you know, I made the bed. Now I'm sure you're probably wondering, well, did I like it? Yes, actually, it was. I have gotten some really restful sleep. It's really cooling. Um, I like it. Now, you know what? If I'd really thought about it, I probably wouldn't have worn black today, knowing that my dog has been in here just rolling around. So now I'm going to have dog hair all over me. So that's fun. I literally left everything in here as I left it yesterday. I didn't want to really do much when I was done in here. That's what's kind of nice about doing this for 15 minutes is that you're doing stuff. You're making really big progress, even though you're only working for 15 minutes at a time. So Fly Lady, she actually has philosophy that you could do anything in 15 minutes. And that I think is absolutely true. If you are really focused, that's the key. You have to be really focused. I'm going to go ahead and move this back a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. All right. My trash bag is already full. I have already made my massive trip to Goodwill with all of my husband's clothes. So I'm not going to take any more to Goodwill. I'm done. I want to be done bringing his stuff to Goodwill. All right. So the clothes, it looks like actually I'm probably going to be able to get to the clothes. I didn't think I was going to, but here we are. Looks like I will. So the way that I'm going to do the clothes, let's put that up. The way that I'm going to do the clothes is I'm just going to take a look at what do I know fits me, what doesn't fit me, what do I want to not have in my closet anymore, because there's a lot of stuff that I don't really wear and I don't think I ever will wear. So I think I'm going to do that. So everything that's hanging for the most part is now mine. These two that are here are not. Let's go ahead and get started with that. All right. I think that's where you can see me. This is where the majority of my clothes are, which is right here. All right. I have a basket that I'm just going to start putting clothes in. I don't know how much there is, so let's go. All right, so I got rid of my scrubs. I didn't need them, so I'm going to get rid of my scrub jackets. It's kind of sad. I don't really want to get rid of them, but I know I'm not going to wear them, so these fit me. This has so much dog hair on it, it's not even funny. All right. I'm probably never going to wear this again. I don't know what I was thinking. It looked nice to me at the time, but no. I do like this, but it is a little short. Let me see. You don't have to go through this if you don't want to, but I know I don't have many of these to do. This is a petite. No, you know what? No. Nope. I like this. I have so many crazy costumes. Like, I still have all my Disney princess costumes. Um, I will get rid of them at some point. I know I will, but it's my little slice of Disney, so I really don't want to. Because I don't have too many slices of Disney. All right. Sorry. Go. So when I was talking about going to the Goodwill and getting sweaters and things, I actually picked this up. Look how freaking cute this is with the little bow. I love this. And it's part of my color palette. My two favorite colors right here, my pink and my blue, part of my color palette, along with the yellow. Love it. So, yeah, I'm very quickly trying to go through and seeing what I will wear, what I won't. This was given to me and I held on to it, and this was also given to me and I will never wear it. I don't think I have worn it. This is one of my favorite dresses, and I have to get it dry cleaned. I think it still fits me, but it fit me like a glove. And yes, it was also found at a thrift store, but it was given to me. All right. Wow. See, these pants are way too big, but they were not too big for me before. So, um, I don't know. I don't know if I would wear this. It's not really my type. I am going to hold on to it. I'm going to have to try it on. I will try it on. I'm going to put it over here in my try on. So I have a little section where I'm trying stuff on. This is new. I know it fits me. This is one of those t-shirt dresses I like. Um, This had a belt that went with it, but I'm going to try it on. Yep. Oh, and I have a belt here too. Yay! I'm going to try it on because that is something I have had forever. Me and polka dots. I love polka dots, but I remember that this dress is itchy. I don't want itchy. This was the very first retro dress that I ever got. Love it. Still fits. This one, is nice. This one, I'll have to see. You know what? I will have to see if it fits. This one, I love this. Love this. All right, these three right here are, they are almost too big for me. Almost. Yes, I do have a crazy slutty elf costume. And you know what? I don't care. I'm going to keep it. There's going to come a time where I will need to dress as a slutty elf again. Just trust. There will be. I don't know. This is a lot of my winter stuff, which is brand new. That's brand new. Okay. These are good. These are good. Now we're getting into the stuff where I just kind of, hung it up. I need to see if this fits me. I would wear this with tank tops and stuff. So I'll see if that fits. I don't even know if I like this anymore. I mean, it's loud. It's sparkly, I guess, here, but it just feels like it's not me. So, putting that in the pile. This is comfortable. All right. Oh, Addie decided to come in and join us. This, I like this, but I remember it didn't fit me as well, but I liked it because it was retro. So we're going to put it there, try it on, see what I like. This, I like this, but oh my gosh, this, the way it hugs me makes it look like I'm going out clubbing. So am I going to keep it? Yes, I am. You never know. I might get to go clubbing again. This fits me really nicely too. And then this is a Christmas sweater. Okay, so these four right here are in the next size down. I originally bought these and they were just a little bit too tight. So I got the next size up, and the way I'm losing weight, these are very quickly going to be my size. All right, so all this stuff that is over there, minus the stuff that I just put up that I have to try on, I already know they're my size. I know I like them. Okay, cool. So now we're going to do the top. How much time do we have left? I have 2 minutes and 35 seconds. So we're going to make this quick, very quick. I don't want either of those. This is like a Shaw. My weightlifting gloves. Yes, I have weightlifting gloves. I don't know what you can see, what you can't. So, all right, this particular, this here has a lot of stuff that I don't think I'm going to actually wear anymore, but we'll see. All right, so I got an Air Force sweater. I think I'm going to keep my Air Force sweater because you never know. You never know. Florida does get a little cold, a little chilly. I'm just tossing what I know I'm not going to wear. Don't want to wear that. And okay, so I went through this whole like Riverdale thing. Yes, HBIC. I like it. It was a Halloween costume. You know what? I'm going to hold on to it because you never know. You never know. Halloween for my family has always been massive because I love Halloween. I like to dress up. These, I need to see if they fit. Yes, I've held on to them because I like them that much. I think that these may fit me. These may be too big. So these will be try-ons. And all right, I'm feeling really good about that. So what I have left um, out of this closet, I don't have much. I have this. So this is, I like bows. I love bows. I have all kinds of bows, tons and tons and tons of bows. So I will need to go through all this. How much time do I have? I only have 10 seconds. So I think that's what I'm going to end up working with tomorrow. All right, so that has been our time for today. 15 minutes can really do quite a bit inside of a space as long as you're really focused. So that's what I got going on tomorrow. Again, I'm going to do all the accessories, and then I'm going to, something I didn't do is on top of the other side. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Again, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate you guys doing this with me, because this is definitely one of the harder things that I have done for a hot minute. So thank you, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day.